Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a cup of shaved ice. So let's get started. To draw this yummy dessert, let's first start by drawing a straight line across. So I'm going to start about right here and I'm going to go all the way across to kind of draw the lip of my cup. So say about right there. And then now that I have this line, I'm going to come around right here and just draw a curve to thicken it up. So same thing here. And then I'm going to draw another line going across again. So just follow my top and connect. Then from there, we're going to draw the sides of the cup. So let's come in and I'm going to angle it down. Same thing here. So let's work on this side first. And I'm not going to make it too tall. So let's say about right here, I'll go ahead and curve it in. So same thing here. I'm just going to try my best to match the other side. And keep going to about right here. And just like the other side, round it off and connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that I have my base in, I need to draw the top. So to make it look like an icy, I'm going to draw this big mound of ice, but I'm going to kind of just wobble and zigzag as I go up, just to mimic the texture. And let's keep going. All the way up, nice big mound. Now I can come back down all the way to here. Same thing like the other side. There. So hopefully that makes it look like icy. And then for me, I have to have some condensed milk on it. So I'm going to come right here. And actually this part should have been smoothed out, but it's okay. Doesn't have to make too much sense. Then I'm just going to kind of drizzle at the top right here. And then when you're coloring, you put in as many colors as you want. And I'm going to come right about here and draw in a spoon. So let's say about here. I'm going to pop out the spoon. Maybe give it a slight angle here. There. And then I'll come into this area and just put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute cup of icy. And then let's see, of course we need to bring it to life. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And come across about here. And do the same thing. It's been so hot lately, so I got inspired to draw something very cold and yummy. So there. Then let's make them Draw So Cute eyes of 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And now that I have the eyes, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a curve. And then, of course, let's give our Icy a sweet smile. So let's say about right here. And curve. Just making mine a little bit more curvy. That kind of cute little smile right there, and cap it off. And of course, when you're coloring, you can give Icy some cheeks if you like. But that is pretty much it for my new drawing of Icy, the cup of Icy. So hopefully you love this one just as much as all the other ones I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.